Welcome to another class of import export policies and procedures. And in this class, we will be discussing status householders or star export house. Status householders is also known as star export house. So basically, star export house is an Indian exporter who has succeeded or excelled in international trade and successfully achieved certain minimum amount of export performance in 2 out of 3 financial years. So in order to obtain star export house, the exporter should have a valid importer exporter code. Now let's discuss the types of star export houses. So basically there are 5 categories of star export house based on the export performance. Status householders or star export house should be business leaders who have excelled in international trade and have successfully contributed to India's foreign trade. So the first category of star export house is one star export house. So if you want to become a one star export house, then you should have an export performance of at least 15 crore rupees. The second one is two star export house. To become a two star export house, you should have an export performance of 100 crore rupees. Third one is three star export house. To become a three star export house, you should have an export performance of 500 crore rupees. Fourth one is 4-star export house. In order to become a 4-star export house, you should have an export performance of 1500 crore rupees. The fifth one is 5-star export house, and in order to become a 5-star export house, you should have at least 5000 crore export performance. Now let's discuss the benefits of status householders or star export houses. The first benefits of becoming a star export house is that you will get authorization and customs clearance for importing or exporting based on self-declaration. So you don't have to get all the authorization and customs clearance if you are a star export house. All you need to do is that you need to produce a self-declaration saying that you are doing this and this. So that is the first benefit. The second benefit is that you are exempted from furnishing of bank guarantee for schemes under foreign trade promotion. As you all are aware, under foreign trade promotion, there are various schemes that will help the importer or exporter to promote export or import. So if you are a star export house, then you don't need to furnish bank guarantees to get these schemes under foreign trade promotion. The third benefit of becoming a status householder or star export house is that input output norms may be fixed on priority within 60 days by norms committee. So if you are not a star export house, then it will take time to fix the input output norms. But if you are a status householders or star export house, then input output norms may be fixed on priority, and that too within 60 days. The fourth one is you are exempted from compulsory negotiation of documents through banks. So if you are a star export house, then you don't need to negotiate your documents through banks. It is not compulsory, but Remittance or receipts should, however, be received through bank channels. So, even though you are exempted from negotiation of documents, then also you will have to accept the or receive the remittance or receipts through bank channels. The fifth benefit of becoming a star export house is that if you are a two-star export house or above, then you are permitted to establish export warehouses all around India. So to ease the export, you can start export warehouses all around India if you are a star export house. The sixth one is if you are a 3-star and above export house, then you are permitted to get benefits of accredited clients program. So you can get accredited clients for your business if you are a 3-star export house or above. The seventh one is that status householders should be entitled to preferential and priority treatment while handling of consignments by concerned authorities. So if you are a status householder or a star export house, then you will get a priority treatment while handling of consignments. The eighth one is that status householders are eligible to export freely exportable items on free of cost basis for export promotion. So if you are a status export householder, then definitely exporting of goods will become very easily. You can export all these goods free of cost basis for export promotion. The last benefit is that exporters involved in manufacturing would be eligible to self-certify their goods as origination from India, which means that if you are an exporter and if you are exporting some goods to some places of world, then when the goods reach that place, then that country will check the origin of these products. So for that we need to produce a certificate called certificate of origin. So if you are a star export house, then you can self certify that your products are from India. So you don't need to get the certificate of origin from the government authorities. You can self certify. So these are some of the benefits of becoming star export house. In the previous trade policies, export houses were known in different names. So let's see the old names of export houses. So for one star export house, it was known as export house. Two star export house were known as star export house. 3-star export house were known as trading house. 4-star export house were known as star trading house, and 5-star export house were known as premier trading house.